Today I will talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your Start Work to app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click on this sign down here. When you just click on it, then it's going to show for you list like this here. Then all you have to do now, just click here on settings. Then it's going to take you to next here. It's going to show for you like this. You click here on notifications here. So then you come to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You come here to receive notifications when it says face over your location. Click in this sign or this color. Sorry, like you see color, it's gone. That's mean it's disabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.